Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I'm coming at you with a Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm premium unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm premium is, it's a monthly subscription box that retails for $35 with over $175 worth of product. This is a beauty, but some lifestyle stuff, because you could get like body lotion, body wash, some flat irons and stuff in there. So it's still beauty, but it's like kind of not beauty. And then also you could get like some skincare items and everything else, but it's overall a beauty subscription box. And I'm kind of iffy with Boxycharm, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of iffy with it. My Boxycharm base box, the regular one, is $25 a month. It was kind of horrible. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above in the cards or at the end of the video. But yeah, let's get into this box. So this time I did get a card. The Boxycharm theme is Oasis. I did talk to them and they said I was supposed to get a card in my box. That's the reason why when I clicked the link, it said that I didn't have a virtual card, but I didn't get a card. Anyways, that whole box was just, I'll check it out if you haven't seen that video. Anyways, I got variation 36 right there. I already can see an item that I do not like. Anyways, the first item in the box is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol sleeping mask. I cannot use this because me and retinol does not go together, especially because after you use this at night, you have to be SPF in the morning. It doesn't matter if you're going outside or not because it's still UV rays in your home, and it could create dark spots, sun damage spots, and just overall like bumps on your face. You don't want that. You don't want that. And also I'm kind of allergic to a certain amount of retinol, and I'd rather not deal with that right now because I don't want to. Anyway, so this is a really good product and it retails for $49. But I will be putting this in my July giveaway. If you don't know, every single July, because it's my birthday month, I do a birthday giveaway, which I get stuff for my birthday and you get stuff for my birthday. I'm just getting back to my subscribers. We have a palette and like a trio of some sorts, and then we have a lip, cheek, eye palette, cream palette. We have lipsticks, lip liners, like we have a lot of stuff. And now we have a sleeping mask. Finally, we have skincare in that box, so we're gonna keep on going. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Trooper Black eyeliner. Retails for $20. I already have this in blue. This is basically a repeat, but kind of not because it's a different color. It's black. I don't know how to feel about that. Well, it's 20 bucks, so I will be putting this with my other one in my Mercari page. It will be linked down below, the duo set, because I'm gonna make it instead of a one eyeliner into duo because no one just bought that one eyeliner. If you're interested, it will be down below. This is not looking so good for me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh. This is the Toofaced Cocoa Contour Palette. I already know what it looks like. I'm not going to open it. This is the shades in the back. You would think that this shade and this shade would work for me. That shade would work for me for brightening under, but also this would work for brightening under. It will work for setting my makeup. Not for contouring. Not for contouring at all. So this is also going to be in my giveaway. I will do 2 separate giveaways to see if you want this one or that one. So if you cannot use this, like I cannot use this for contour, don't pick that. I would be like, do you want box A? Do you want box B? But this will be in the giveaway. I mean, I'm not mad at this box because I'm getting stuff that I could put in the giveaway, but it's like I want stuff for me. I mean, if that sleeping mask did not have retinol in it, I would definitely be so excited for it. Okay, ooh, this is my choice item. This is the KVD Studded Kiss Lipstick. I don't know why I just did that. Anyway, I got it in the shade Homegirl, and I really do like this shade. I like this shade, and I like it a lot. It reminds me of my favorite shade, Vampirina. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just like a deep maroon purple. Like, I live for these shades. These and dark browns, I live for it, even though I'm wearing like a mauve brownie nude. If you don't know what this is that lip liner that was in the trio set. I looked on the website and Beauty Vault's website, and they do not have that lip liner by itself. It's just in the trio. The trio retails for $18, but a lip liner just by itself is $6, and I was really gonna buy this, a backup of this, because I really do like it, and I've been wearing it down. They have another lip liner that's like brownish, like a brownish mauve, and I kind of want it, and I'm probably gonna get it probably next month. Next month's haul is probably gonna be in there. But they need to make it a single. Like, forget the other two shades. I probably won't use the red one that much, and the other one was like just the add-on color that we put on top of a brown lipstick. But oh my gosh, to make that ombre effect. But oh my gosh, if they sold it by itself. Anyways, this is oh, to make it shiny, I'm using the lip gloss that I used before this video. I will link that at the end of the video. My first impressions Fridays. Anyways, $1 billion brushes. This is the contour brushes. This retails for $30, and it's a duo, and this is for contour, this is for highlight to set under the eyes, or for nose contour. This, I understand why they did it $30, because these are two separate brushes in one. Okay, 15, get it. Or 10, 20, get it. But the way it feels, it's light. It looks like cheaply made, but let me just feel the bristles. The bristles feel soft. Okay, the bristles feel soft. There's a little bit of them standing up. These two right here, that's annoying. I'm probably gonna have to cut it, or when I wash it and it still stands up, then I'll cut it. But this is not $30. $20, 10 or 5, 15, I understand with the quality, but 30, I understand why they did it. I understand, but I buy it? No, I would buy it half off, 15. Yes, I would. Or I would pay $20 for it, not 30. But okay, I see you, Boxy. At the end, you guys are killing it. I got my favorite lipstick in like a great color. I got a nice brush. Well, what next? We have a body wash. I'm not gonna lie, I was running low on body wash, especially because in New York City, Bath and Body Works are not open yet, so I can't get my body washes that I love. So I am excited for this shower gel. This is the Skin&Co Roma Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel with notes of Sardinia, lemongrass, and wild orange. It has 7.7 fluid ounces. Oh, you can smell the citrus through the seal. It's like $22. That's what it's retailed for. Oh my gosh, I got a body wash, and I'm actually excited for it. So let me count up the total and the products that I do like. So 3 out of the 6 products I do like is new. It's not repeats. It is great. The liner, I would like to use it, but I have so many black liners. That's the reason why I put the other liner in my Mercari page. So, I mean, I don't have a blue liner, but I'm not really gonna use it. So that's the reason why I put it there. Also, the sleeping mask, I would have really loved if it didn't have retinol, so that just takes the point off of that. But overall, these 3 products I'm definitely going to use, and I actually really liked my box this month. Like, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. So overall, those 3 products that I really do like, it retails for $72, so it's over the $35, so I got my money's worth. And then the total excuse me, my total value of the box is $185. $185 for $35. Still, if you could use everything in the box, still. If not, then you could give it away as gifts. If someone's birthday is coming up, like, they would really like that retinol mask. Like, they would really like the contour palette. Like, I've seen so many unboxings and a lot of people like this stuff, so that's a steal for them. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. I really did like this box. Yes, it's 50-50, but it's better than my Boxycharm base box. Anyways, bye you guys, and don't forget the links down below and also the videos at the end of this video. Bye guys.